Stacy with WTI. Do you love diffusing in your home, but don't always love that you have to add water to your diffuser? Thanks to this awesome, innovative diffuser from MEIDI, you don't have to do that, and it automatically works without you having to do anything but set it up. This box is about 6 by 6, and its depth is about 3 inches, making it really convenient whether you want to just place it on the counter or put it on the wall. Once you open the secret compartment in the front, you'll see that inside it has a bottle, and in that bottle you can add in your favorite diffuser blend. I found it works really well when you add in some distilled water with your favorite scents. It's battery operated, or you can charge it with a USB-C cord, which is included. The coolest part about this diffuser is that you can set it up with the app, and you can see in the booklet it has all the instructions for you. It was very easy to set up. Once it's set up, you can set it on a timer so that it will automatically diffuse whenever you want. We decided to put this into our bathroom so that it comes in really handy for different times during the day when it might need some extra beautiful scents in the bathroom. It's really a neat, innovative design. I love that I can just set it up and not have to worry about it, and just check that diffuser blend every now and then to make sure that there's enough. The diffuser runs very quietly. You can hear a light mist coming out, and I love that it has the option so that you can mount it to the wall. This is really such a neat, innovative design. I love that you can just set it up and not have to worry about it. It runs automatically, and you can adjust anything anytime on the app. That way you can bring those essential oils into your home with less to do on your part. But that's just my point of view.